Hi friends, so last video we have seen the initialization of package manager through Node.js. Now here we will see on how we can run the application through Node.js. So I will go to my Visual Studio Code on the Node.js folder, which is Node.js CRUD, and here you can see this is the code which we have written last video. So console.log.run, we will have to run it now. Now we will check run this file server.js. So how we can run, we will go to again our terminal. So I will select here from terminal. So this is the terminal which we have, and I will type the command node with the file name server.js. Okay, reference error not returned. So we will check what it is npm run dev we can do. We will try to run it this file by run dev npm run dev with this file server.js. Okay, so npm run we will do. So this debugging also we have to make understood that what we are missing here, no test is specified. So also we have to check this node modules. This is our file, and outside the package, if you will allow it, we will have to see it. So friends, so we have seen the installation of Node Express JS. So now we will ensure that our run the file server.js. So we will go to our Visual Studio Code and run this file. So we will again Control S, and now we will see here that our server would be running here. And since I have given the port number 8080, so I will directly test it on our local machine. See here I can give this if I will put the test, because test is what is it's our folder where we have received the app response in the routes. Okay, and through that's the reason through test it is printing in this prod mysql. Suppose I will remove this test, and so it cannot get the response object. Okay, so this is our message. If we will do test here, node.js uh, through my SQL sprintings, which we have given the message. Okay, and so this is our basic concept of Node.js, like how we have test the application and through our port number by defining the routes. And in the same way, also in the next video, we will define our middleware here and how we can achieve it using our Node.js. So this is all about our package manager setup with the CRUD application. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.